Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I would be basically explaining you what Hacktoberfest is. So you might be hearing about Hacktoberfest on Twitter and LinkedIn, and as a beginner to open source or tech in general, you might be wondering that what is Hacktoberfest exactly. And once I explain what it is, I would also dive in how you can apply to it and what all steps you can take to successfully participate in Hacktoberfest. So let's get started. So before we continue, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, connect with me on LinkedIn, and follow me on Twitter if you're liking my content and are getting to learn something new from my videos. Thank you. So what exactly is Hacktoberfest? Hacktoberfest is an annual month-long event in October that celebrates open source software and encourages meaningful contributions to the open source community. It's a collaboration between DigitalOcean and GitHub. During this month, developers from all around the world come together to contribute to open source projects, learn and collaborate. So why is Hacktoberfest that important? Participating in Hacktoberfest is not just about getting free swag. It's about fostering a sense of community, learning from others and giving back to the projects that power the software we use every day. Open source software is the backbone of the internet, and by contributing, you play a vital role in its growth and improvement. Okay, so now let's discuss how to participate in Hacktoberfest. So you can register anytime between September 26 and October 31. I am currently recording this video on October 1st. So I would encourage you to register and participate in Hacktoberfest as early as possible. Do not delay it. And about the registration process, I would have shown you, but I have already done it. So unfortunately, I won't be able to. But it's a straightforward process. So just go to hacktoberfest.com and you would be able to easily register for the event. So let's continue with our participation. Pull request can be made in any GitHub or GitLab hosted project that's participating in Hacktoberfest, and specifically look for the Hacktoberfest topic, which I would be showing you later in this video how to do it. So stick till the end to know how we can find issues with the label of Hacktoberfest. Because if you directly search for Hacktoberfest in the GitHub search bar, then you would get random results which won't be of any benefit to you. So I'll show you a special way to search for Hacktoberfest issues. Now let's continue. Project maintainers must accept your pull and merge requests for them to count toward your total. The first 50,000 participants to have their first PR and MR, which is pull request and merge request, accepted, will have a tree planted in their name through Tree Nation. So basically, if you're one of the 50,000 participants, then you have a tree in your name, and participants with 4 pull and merge requests accepted between October 1 and October 31st will receive a unique digital reward. So the basic task which you have to do in Hacktoberfest to complete and to successfully complete Hacktoberfest is to basically get full 4 pull requests merged and between October 1st and October 31st. Participants with 4 pull or merge requests accepted between October 1st and October 31st will receive a unique digital reward. So the basic task which you have to do in order to successfully participate in Hacktoberfest is to get 4 pull requests merged in repositories which are participating in Hacktoberfest, and that is how you are going to basically participate in Hacktoberfest and make some good contributions. Now, resources for beginners. So when I started out with contributing to open source and Hacktoberfest, I had to face a lot of problem in learning about Git and GitHub and learning what open source is exactly. This was a huge problem which I faced, and it took a lot of effort to deal with it. Luckily, in this website we have some amazing resources to get an introduction to open source, start contributing, learn about Git and GitHub, Git and GitHub best practices, how to write a perfect pull request, and so on, how to take help from the open source community. All these are very important topics, and as a beginner I would highly recommend you to check these resources out on hacktoberfest.com/participation. That is hacktoberfest.com/participation, and these are some important resources to start learning about Git and GitHub. This is an important thing which I wanted to share. Now let's continue and look at the events, and then we look at the dashboard. So Hacktoberfest is full of events, and some events which you can see are listed over here. Yeah, so we have some featured events: Hacktoberfest kickoff, Hacktoberfest satellite session, Global Hack Week, etc. And you can register for these on hacktoberfest.com itself. So yeah, now let's look at the interface, and this my interface is loading. So when you register, then you have an interface looking like this: your profile picture and your name, etc. And if you see, I have already made some pull requests over here. So the 2 are in waiting, some are not actually participating in Hacktoberfest, and this is my progress for now. So this is the Hacktoberfest interface that you would be seeing once you register, and your rewards are like holopin. You get a holopin avatar badge and other holopin badges. So these are some rewards which you get. Okay, so now let's jump into some practical stuff. So I'm currently on my GitHub profile, and let's see an example of what contributing to Hacktoberfest looks like. So I recently made a contribution to NOSC website. Okay, let's see. So my contribution was, so basically what happened was that I saw that this repository did not have a pull request template associated with it. So what I did was I raised an issue via the new issue button, and I said that a pull request can be added. So pull request templates, add pull request template. Pull request templates allow your organizations to have a default text when you create a pull request on GitHub, and so on. If possible, may I work on this issue under Hacktoberfest. So I specified that this is the issue which I spotted, and I would like to work on this issue under Hacktoberfest. The maintainer got in contact with me and set the labels over here and said that okay, great suggestion, Thanks for the help. I have assigned you the issue. So this is how I got the issue assigned to me. I created it on my own, I spotted it and I created it. Sometimes you might find that the issue is already created and you just have to create a pull request for it. Then I just created a pull request for the same, fixes this issue. This is a small change I made. Then I basically, awesome work. Looking forward for more contributions from you. Please consider starting the repo. So my pull request got merged and I deleted the branch, and the Hacktoberfest accepted label got added to this. So basically, if you submit a pull request if you want to get it counted in your Hacktoberfest interface, then try to get the Hacktoberfest accepted label on your pull request which you have made. So this is one example which I wanted to give on contributing to Hacktoberfest. Now another example, another thing which I wanted to point out was searching for issues which come under Hacktoberfest. So if you do this, Hacktoberfest, if you do this, so these are issues which you are going to get, and these won't be relevant, to be quite honest with you. So instead of this, do search this label colon, there should be no space in between, by the way, label colon Hacktoberfest, enter, and in the issues tag you would find tons of issues which, for example, this is opened 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago. So you would find some amazing issues regarding Hacktoberfest in this. So this is a small trick which I wanted to share with you regarding contributing to Hacktoberfest. So before we continue, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, connect with me on LinkedIn, and follow me on Twitter if you are liking my content and are getting to learn something new from my videos. Thank you.